everyone. Shout out to all my viewers. I have something in my throat, but shout out everyone to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers. Please, if you have not watched all my other video, please watch and subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm just have a short live today because I don't have a Wi-Fi here. I have a data. It's only a data. So excuse my throat. And just shout out Philippines, shout out USA, world, to all my kababayan, to all my Filipinos, Filipinas, and to all US American, Filipino Americans. Shout out to you, everyone. I am back here in Texas now, and just talking about how it happens so quick. Last May, planned to retiring in the Philippines, but did not happen. Plan change. So anyway, if you have watched my other live, I mentioned that there before, and my other lives from last year. Like I told you before, that we sold everything and tried to retire in the Philippines, but it did not happen. And because my American husband is feeling different there, it's not feel like home like here in America. So we are back in America. Anyway, guys, just see my other my life story, a short life story, but it's a long story. I have to start everything in the beginning. But anyway, everyone, I just wanna say thank you to all my subscribers, to all my friends, family, and shout out to you, everyone. Anyway, today I was walking for about I'm walking about an hour and a half, and when I got home, I got this, anyway, voice. So shout out to all my viewers. If you are watching, please comments, everyone. And if you're silent viewers, thank you so much for watching. And it's small, but it's good. Anyway, excuse my voice. I'm not gonna do my live today. Please comments, everyone. Shout out to Manay Biday, Nati Shares, Mary Grace Castaño, Mary Castaño, Joa Castaño, Marieta Sel, and Sel family, Ila Sel, Annalie Rodriguez, Nati Shares in Arkansas, in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Nati Shares to all my viewers. Chansky family in the Minnesota, shout out there to all Chansky family. Thank you everyone for supporting and watching. If you have any question or comments, comments below, and don't forget to click the like button, and appreciate so much to all my Filipino OFW viewers, I mean overseas Filipino workers all over the world. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And to all my friends in Pearland, Texas, if you have not seen the video that I upload from birthday party, all the Filipinas, beautiful friends that I have here in Pearland, Texas, shout out to all my friends, Brenda, May, Cecil, Rhoda, and Rose, and other my friends here in Texas, Pearland, Texas. Shout out to you, everyone. And also just doing my silent live or live because my voice is need to drink a lot of water. Anyway, so just mentioning, guys, the